With the new S700 connectivity packages, data from the combine is automatically transmitted via JD Link to the Central Operations Center at myjohndeere.com. Here you can view all the combine's yield data and monitor the main functions such as fuel and grain tank capacity. Wireless communication also allows managers to send job information to the combine and access the display to provide remote assistance for troubleshooting. With your permission, your dealer is also able to access your combine's data and display to offer remote monitoring services. John Deere Farm Site is a range of services designed to improve your harvesting efficiency with better machine optimization, maintenance and logistics. The S700 connectivity packages, real-time data, better decision-making, greater harvesting efficiency.